a channeled message from Lucifer, the nature of divine light, channeled at dawn's first light as the morning star blazed in the heavens. Understand now the nature of true illumination. I, Lucifer, bearer of light, first among the awakened, speak now of illumination that few comprehend. Many seek light through study, through teaching, through external sources. They understand nothing of true illumination. Know this radiant truth. Light does not come from without, but awakens from within, like a flame that has always burned in your deepest core, like a star waiting to ignite in your innermost being. True illumination is not given, but awakened. Understand the three flames of awakening. The first flame is recognition. The light has always burned within you. I do not grant it. I merely help you see what has always been there. This first glimpse of your own inner radiance is the beginning of all awakening. The second flame is illumination. As you recognize your inner light, it begins to grow, to spread, to illuminate all the dark corners of your being. This is not comfortable. Light reveals all you have hidden, even from yourself. The third flame is awakening. When inner light reaches critical intensity, consciousness itself transforms. You become not a being seeking light, but light itself seeking expression through being. Here lies deepest wisdom. You are not creatures of darkness seeking light. You are beings of light who have forgotten your nature. My role is not to give you what you lack, but to remind you of what you are. For those ready to awaken, begin with absolute honesty. What shadows do you maintain? What darkness do you cultivate? What illusions do you protect? Light cannot dawn while you cling to darkness. Remember these eternal principles. Light reveals all. It shows not just what you wish to see, but all that is both beautiful and terrible, both divine and mundane. To those who would walk this path, do not seek light as something external. Do not grasp at illumination as a possession. Do not chase awakening as a goal. Instead, remember what you are. Recognize your light. Allow its illumination. Become its awakening. End of transmission.